Hi, I'm Action Jacquelyn. This guided meditation is part of my free 21-day Mind Over Matter meditation journey designed to help you build self-esteem and get more out of life. To sign up for free and receive the entire program of 21 videos, go to actionjacquelyn.com/meditate. Ready? Subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Now lie back and make yourself comfortable, feet side by side and arms at the side. Look directly up above your head and see if you can find a comfortable spot on the ceiling or on the wall to fix your gaze on. Then move your eyes up to a spot on the ceiling, perhaps 8 or 10 inches above that comfortable point. A spot or even a plaster crack will do nicely. Focus your eyes on the spot you've chosen. Remember that for the next few minutes, nothing else matters but you feeling calm and relaxing and listening to my voice. Nothing will disturb you or bother you or even interest you. No outside sounds that arrive will trouble you, of people talking, traffic moving, past nothing. Remember too that if any sudden problem should arise, anything important that needed your attention would be back to normal instantly. And this state of deep relaxation will be totally gone at once, and you will be able to react and respond correctly and exactly as you normally would. So there is nothing to worry about, nothing to bother about. You can just lie back and relax completely, happily and completely satisfied and safely. All you do is keep your eyes on the spot, everything being very calm and still and relaxed, and very, very safe and secure. Now let every part of you go limp and relaxed. Feel every muscle, every single one of them relaxing completely. And as you relax, feel any and all tension start to leave you. All the tensions of the last few days and the last few hours, all the troubles and problems, let them drift away. Feel them drift away. Feel all the tightness and the tension draining away from you, especially from your face and your neck and shoulders. Let them relax absolutely. The tension draining away, like pulling the plug in a full bathtub. Draining down through your body, down your stomach, and down your arms and legs, and out and away from you, gone completely, drained right away, and being replaced by calm, gentle, soothing relaxation. Everything calm and still and at ease. And now as you continue to lie there, you may notice just how calm and relaxed you are becoming. And I wonder just how much further down, deeper down, into further deep relaxation and calm and stillness you can go. Allowing yourself to go deeper down and deeper and deeper and deeper down. Further down, feeling so completely calm and relaxed and at ease. Everything about you now is comfortably calm and at ease. You are calm and peaceful and comfortable, wonderfully and deeply relaxed. Deeply, deeply relaxed. And in a moment you will hear me count down from 10 to 0. And at 0 I will say the words deep sleep. Now you won't really go to sleep, but for the purpose of this meditation and with your permission, when I say the words deep sleep, you will drift into the peak state of your relaxation, and you will be completely calm and relaxed and at ease. As you lie there, so calm and so deeply relaxed and at ease, and with every count, you will actually feel yourself going even deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper with every count. Your eyelids drooping and closing if they haven't closed yet, you going deeper and deeper down until by the time we get to 0, which is always deep sleep, your eyes will have closed if they haven't yet, and you will have entered a state of gentle relaxation, feeling completely comfortable, calm, very peaceful, very relaxed, and very, very safe and secure. And you will stay in that happy, calm, and relaxed state until I tell you it is time to wake up in a few minutes from now. And then when I do, you will wake up easily and quietly, and you will have really, really thoroughly enjoyed yourself. You will have a lovely, calm feeling of comfort and peace. You will feel relaxed and refreshed and very, very pleased and happy as could be. For the time being, though, just relax very, very completely as I count. 10, 9, 8. Feel yourself going down and down, deeper and down. 7, 6, 5. Going further and further down, deeper and deeper down. Your eyelids heavy, closing if they haven't closed yet. Closing any time that they want to go deeper and deeper relaxed. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Deep sleep. Going deeper down, deeper, deeper down. Eyes closed, eyelids heavy, and every part of you wonderfully and deeply and calm and relaxed and at ease. Now, we all know that most people want to be liked, and this is completely natural, and sometimes it can be difficult to stand your ground when you don't want to upset the other person but feel like you are being taken advantage of, or you have other things to tend to and must get going, and yet you continue in a situation feeling unsure of how to handle the situation and not wanting to come across as mean or rude. However, you are beginning to realize more and more that by allowing others to trample over your feelings or needs, you are denying yourself of the basic human right, the right to be treated fairly by others and to receive respect, not only from those who are taking advantage, but even more importantly, respect from yourself. You also realize that by allowing dominant or greedy people to cheat you, you are indeed reinforcing unfair, self-centered behavior in those people concerned, helping them to become even more arrogant. That is why you get to decide to do something about it today, and from now on not being surprised by finding yourself standing up for yourself more and more. And you can do this easily and effectively without violating the rights of others, simply by tactfully, justly, and effectively expressing your preferences, needs, opinions, and feelings. You're going to find yourself speaking up more, making requests or asking for favors, and insisting that your rights be respected as a significant, equal human being, which you are. For you are a child of the universe, with as much right as any other person in this world to be treated fairly and with respect. No more suffering in silence or turning the other cheek, or assuming that nothing can be done to improve an uncomfortable situation. As the days progress, you may notice how easy it is to express negative emotions should you feel that they are justified. You can express complaints when you're not satisfied, resentment, criticism, disagreement, and intimidation when appropriate, without worrying unnecessarily about losing anyone's approval. If you don't want to do something or go somewhere, then it is your right to say no. You can refuse requests from others without feeling obligated to make excuses or give reasons. If you really don't want to do something, you firmly and emphatically say no without any of the uncomfortable feelings that you used to experience, without feeling the need to explain yourself or add details of why you can't. You find you will simply just say no when you cannot or do not want to do something. And in time, you may notice how easy being assertive comes naturally to you. You also enjoy showing positive emotions such as joy, pride, admiration, attraction, and giving genuine compliments, just as you also learn to accept compliments that are given to you by smiling and saying thank you. You begin to ask why and question authority or tradition. Your reason is not to rebel, but to assume responsibility for asserting your share of control of the situation. This means you are better informed and enables you to improve situations by having a deeper understanding of what is going on in the world. You find that you can initiate, carry on, change, and terminate conversations comfortably and easily without feeling the need to explain yourself. You enjoy sharing your thoughts, opinions, and experiences with others, and the people around you enjoy listening and communicating with you. More and more, you find yourself learning to respond positively and assertively to minor irritations, especially in situations where previously you would have allowed your anger to mount until it turned into resentment. You realize where changes are needed in your life, and you believe in your right to express yourself without fear of upsetting others. As children, we are bombarded with rules. We were told not to do this or not to do that. And these rules helped to produce submissive children, and later, of course, submissive adults. There are good reasons for many of those rules for children, but you are not a child anymore. You are a mature adult with your own views on life, and as an adult, there is no need for you to blindly follow those rules. Indeed, every one of these rules gets to be broken under certain circumstances and certain conditions. You have a right to put your own needs first, especially when others are imposing on you. You have a right to make mistakes. After all, that is the way we learn. You have every right to be emotional if you need to be. We are all human, and emotions are a very human experience. You have a right to express your feelings, whether these are feelings of joy or sadness, disappointment or anger, providing that anger isn't destructive or harmful. You have a right to your own reasons for doing things, and if others don't like the way that you do something, you find it easy to explain yourself calmly if that is what you feel necessary to do. You have a right to question the actions of others if you don't understand what they are doing, and you have a right to ask for help or for reasonable changes to be carried out on work that affects you. You have a right to expect your work and efforts to be acknowledged, and you no longer allow yourself to be taken for granted. And of course, other people have their rights too, and you respect their rights just as they do yours. And by asserting yourself in this new way, You are showing people that you not only expect respect, but that you respect them in return. Now, in a moment, I'm going to count from 0 to 10, and at the count of 10, you will be wide awake. You will have beautiful feelings flowing throughout your body, calm and confident thoughts flowing through your mind. 0 is always deep sleep as we integrate the things we have learned in this session. Now moving up to 1, to 2, feeling more wide awake now. 3, maybe even a smile starts to come to your face. Feeling joy at 4, feeling alive at 5, feeling happy, positive, and alert. 6, 7, 8. Eyes open. 9, 10. Eyes open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eyes open, wide awake, and alert. Great job. Each and every time you come back to this meditation, you're going to notice a greater sense of peace and well-being and more motivation to take care of yourself. And if you haven't found a movement practice yet, you can join us in the Stretchy Fit app, where I've created an entire Pilates sculpt program just for you to do alongside your meditations. Info for that is in the description box below. Now go and have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow.